The thing I like best about Updater is that we can either like approve or deny what they put in, and then we notes.
Less paperwork getting lost, just not having to deal with all those paper issues, giving it to the resident's giving it to us. I feel like Updater would just help save paper in that sector.
When I first started, it was telling them how to set up their utilities, and I'd have to write it down myself. And I really like that they make it to where it's step by step.
Put like our monthly calendar in there, and then kind of like, I call it like a little cheat sheet. And it's like rent's due on this day, the mailroom door code, office hours, office email, office phone number.
If they have any information at all that they're not understanding, they could just put it in the notes, or they give me a little bit more information. The notes really does help just to give me a little bit more backstory instead of just saying yes or no, or just like bubble answers where it's already an answer created for them and they just select out of them. It gives them their, like, I want to say, a voice for them.
I love it. I love it so much when they have to go in and they already know, they get the email. Like, I don't have to send an email. I don't have to send it, and my Updater is on it and they're really quick with it. So I really love and enjoy that. I feel like if properties were to switch over to Updater, it would make it really easy. Just as it's been easier for us and it's been less stressful.